Hi everyone. Today I'm going to prove to you that 1 equals 0. All right. You all should know that that's not true. So you have to figure out what I'm doing wrong. All right. So to start off, we're going to let A equals 1 and we're going to let B equals 1. All right. So since both are equal to 1, it's fair to say that A equals B. Oh man, handwriting is terrible. All right, so now from this line, we're just going to multiply both sides by B. Multiply by B. That's a multiply, not an add. All right, so we get A B is equal to B squared. Okay, from here, we're going to subtract A squared from both sides. Minus A squared. So we now have AB minus A squared is equal to B squared minus A squared. All right, so a little bit of factoring now. On the left-hand side, both terms have an A, so we'll just factor that out. Say A times B minus A. On the right-hand side, I know that's the difference of squares, so I can factor it out. And this is a little trick, I know, and I invite you all to prove that this is how it is, but it is. So we'll get the quantity B plus A times B minus. So from here, you can see that there's the quantity B minus A on both sides. So I'm just going to take and cancel those out. So we canceled that out. We have A is equal to B plus A. Already that's kind of weird looking, right? But we'll just keep going a little bit further. Subtract an A from both sides. 0 equals B. But from up top right here, we said that B is equal to 1. So, right there, it kind of seems like I've shown 0 is equal to 1. Not true again. Where did I go wrong? All right. I'll look forward to being proven wrong. All right.